Hi, this is Pete with Pete Air Mobile. We're going to go through setting up a wholesale site within a project. Now, there's been considerable enhancements for ease of use for wholesale jobs. I think you're really going to enjoy what you see here. So I'm going to go into the Projects tab. I'm going to go into my Storm 2018 project. Now this project already has a body shop site, but let's say that we land a wholesale deal. So I'm going to select a plus to add a new wholesale site, and we're just going to call this dealer. And it's a wholesale site, so I'm going to tap on wholesale, and I'm going to tap on done. That's going to create that wholesale site. Again, I can add any kind of contacts to this site. So let's select Joe Dent, Frank, and Jim Jones. Frank is an insurance adjuster. In this particular case, Jim Jones is unknown and Joe Dent's unknown. So that means that their contact type wasn't set up. So I can easily go in and let's say that that Jim is our invoicing contact. So I'm going to create that. And let's say that Joe Dent is he is the facility manager. We'll save that. Okay, so those are added to the wholesale site. Let's go into the profile. Now we can set up a variety of deals within this profile for this dealership. I'm going to do the most simplest form for this video tutorial. But as you can see, you can use both flat rate and percentages just by toggling back and forth. And whatever you choose, you can choose multiple rates based on vehicle type. For example, this is what the bill is going to be to the dealership. Let's say you agreed on $1,500 for a car. If that's the price you're going to do every vehicle for them, then you only have to put that price in that one vehicle. It'll flow all the way through for SUV, van, and truck. But if you have different rates, you can put those in as well. So let's say the only different rate is an SUV and it's $2,000. So you can put that in there. Now you go down to the PDR technician rates, and let's say you've agreed to pay the technicians $1,000 for cars, and SUVs is $1,200. Okay, and you have an R&I tech. An R&I tech for a car is $75, and for SUV it's $100. Okay, site managers, you can add whether they get $50 a car, or you can make them a percentage where they get 3% of the deal. No matter what you do here, this is a report. It won't come into actual tech pay. Same with the CNP rate, sales reps. If you're doing a deal where you're actually writing estimates on every car and you need rates and there's a percentage associated, you can set those here. And if you have any admin fees, you can also apply those in this profile. And once this profile is set up, it is automated within the estimating, which I will demonstrate. So this is how you set up a wholesale account profile. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and look for additional tutorials on the estimating.